It's your boy J Will back with another video. Still running the case study on Sonarville. A lot of people want me to do this product, so I've been doing a case study for the whole week. I'm gonna show you guys my today's earning, yesterday earning, my last 7-day earnings. Let's get to it. Okay, today is Friday, January 14th. As you can see, today we got 16 clicks, 99 impressions. Click-through rate is 16%, which is real good. Average cost per click, $4.41. Today I spent $70. Let's log on to Digistore and see how much I made today. On Digistore. Log in. Okay, so today we made 3 sales, $396. Yesterday, $108. The day before, nothing. The day before, $108. The day before, nothing. Let's go to our calculator. 396. 396 minus $70 we spent today. Today profit is $326. Okay, let's go back to Digistore. We're gonna do the last 7 days. 7 days, I spent $299, 71 cents. Earnings for the week, $695. So we're gonna take 695 on the calculator. 695 minus 299, made about $396 so far this week. Okay, let's look at I'm still using the same landing page. You guys can see it's my landing page. I'm not direct linking. I actually have a landing page for this product. Go to Click Magic. As you can see, $396 for today. So not lying. Everything evens out. Let me log back in here. Come on, Digistore. Okay, it's about 7 today. So y'all can see I'm still making money with this campaign. For those who was asking on Instagram, still working for me real good. I'm gonna show y'all how much I made for this month so far. This month made $1,300 so far, so not bad. But you guys can run a campaign just like this, similar to this. It don't have to be the same product. There's multiple products out there. Just make sure everything's legit. You can both split test landing pages and direct linking. I don't know which one will work better, so split testing, whatever one work better, then go with that. For you guys who keep asking me about direct linking landing pages. But meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.